Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and healthy. Nowadays, we all are staying home, right? You all know why? Because a virus has spread COVID-19 coronavirus. You all know that. Oh, that is very dangerous. So, my lovely students, please be at home. Okay, I know you all are feeling very bored. So for that, I'm making this video for you. Today, we are going to study about a new concept. What concept? Big and small. Big and small. Okay? Big and small. What is big? Something has great size is called big. Something has small size called small. You all got it right? Students, today we have many examples. So, look here. What is this? These are two containers. These are two containers. Which one is big container? I know you all know this. Which container is big? This one or this one? This one is big container and this one is small container. Something has great size is called big. So this green container is big and this pink container is small. Okay, let's see our next example. What is this? You all know this, right? Tell me, what is this? These are two cups, okay? These are two cups. Which cup is big? This white cup is big cup and this one is small. This cup is big in size and this one is small in size, okay? You all got it right? Okay, what is this? Our next example. Wow, these are two balls. You all love ball, right? Okay, tell me, what color is this? This is black color. What color is this? This is green color. Okay, now students, which one is big ball and which one is small ball? This black ball is big ball and this one is small ball. This ball is big ball and this ball is small ball. Okay? Okay, come let's see our next example. Okay students, next see what is this? These are spoons. These are spoons. You all know spoons, right? Inside your kitchen, you all see this. Okay, which spoon is big and which spoon is small? This spoon is big spoon and this one is small spoon. This is big in size and this one is small in size. Okay, we have one more example, our last example. Okay students, comes, let's see it. What is this? These are two books, okay? These are two books. Which book is big and which book is small? This book is big. Look at this. This is too heavy. So this book is big book and this book is small book. Big book, small book. Okay? You all got it. Now let's see in first. Okay, come let's see one by one. Look at this. Big container and small container. This one is big book and small book. This one is big ball and small ball. This one is big cup and small cup. This one is big spoon and small spoon. Okay, I think you all got it. Got this concept, okay? Now students, we will do one activity. Okay, so that first B-I-G, big. Okay, look at me. What is this? B-I-G, big. S-M-A-L-L, small. This one is big side and this one is small side. Okay, now I have some things. Okay, look at me. These are the things. Okay. We will sort the things here. We will put all the big things here and all the small things here. Now it's like a game. So I hope you all like this game. Okay, come, let's do it. Okay students, what is this? This is a big tree. So which side we'll keep this? This side or this side? I think big tree is, we want to keep this here. Okay. Next, what is this students? What is this? This is a small flower. Small flower. So which side we'll keep this? We keep this on this side. What is this students? This is a small tree. Small tree. So which side we'll keep this? We'll keep this on this side. Yeah. What is this students? This is a big flower. So which side we'll keep this? We'll keep this on this side. Okay, look at this. Big tree, a big flower, a small flower, a big tree. Okay, now we all done this. Students, I think you all feel bored. So, do you want to listen to a rhyme? I know you all love rhyme, so that teacher has a wonderful rhyme for you, all my lovely students. Let's get ready for the rhyme. Okay, let's start our rhyme, okay? Out in the garden, what do I see? Big tree, small tree, looking at me. La 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 la. Out in the garden, what do I see? Big flower, small flower, looking at me. La 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 la. Out in the library, what do I see? Big book, small book, looking at me. La 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 la. Out in the kitchen, what do I see? Big spoon, small spoon, looking at me. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay students, I think you all love this rhyme. Okay, next. Okay my lovely students, now I think you all understood the concept big and small, right? Now you all take your maths book and turn into page number 4. Page number 4 and revise all these activities with the help of your mom. Okay, revise all these activities with the help of your mom and do it in your home and practice this concept. Okay, I hope you all do this in your home. Have a nice day students.